Glass skin in just 7 days. It sounds like a dream, doesn't it? The idea of achieving flawless, radiant skin in such a short amount of time is certainly appealing, but is it really possible? Can you truly transform your skin in just 1 week? The key to achieving glass skin lies in a combination of factors. First and foremost, it's important to establish a solid skincare routine. This means cleansing your skin twice a day, using a gentle cleanser that won't strip your skin of its natural oils. Follow up with a toner to balance your skin's pH levels, and then apply a serum to target specific skin concerns, such as hyperpigmentation or fine lines. Next, it's crucial to moisturize your skin. Hydration is key to achieving that coveted glass skin look, so be sure to use a moisturizer that is suited to your skin type. If you have oily skin, opt for a lightweight, oil-free formula. If you have dry skin, choose a richer moisturizer that will provide intense hydration. In addition to a solid skincare routine, it's important to exfoliate your skin regularly. This will help to remove dead skin cells and reveal the fresh, glowing skin underneath. You can use a physical exfoliant, such as a scrub, or a chemical exfoliant, such as a peel or mask. Just be sure not to overdo it, as too much exfoliation can irritate your skin. Another key factor in achieving glass skin is to protect your skin from the sun. UV rays can cause damage to your skin, leading to premature aging and hyperpigmentation. Be sure to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30 every day, even on cloudy days. And don't forget to reapply every 2 hours if you're spending time outdoors. In addition to these skincare tips, there are a few other things you can do to help achieve glass skin in just 7 days. First, be sure to drink plenty of water. Hydration is key to healthy, glowing skin, so be sure to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. You can also incorporate foods that are high in antioxidants, such as berries, leafy greens, and nuts, into your diet to help nourish your skin from the inside out. Finally, getting enough sleep is crucial to achieving glass skin. Your skin repairs and regenerates itself while you sleep, so be sure to get at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. This will help to reduce inflammation and puffiness, giving your skin a fresh, well-rested appearance. So, is it possible to achieve glass skin in just 7 days? While it may be a lofty goal, with the right skincare routine, diet, and lifestyle choices, it is certainly achievable. By following these tips and being consistent in your efforts, you can help to transform your skin and achieve that coveted glass skin look in just 1 week.